Hey Natalie from Tassie, how did you go at the Sydney Blooms?
Well, it's something I've waited a long time to do, and it didn't fail to impress. I learned a huge amount, and it's whetted my appetite for more. I produced these two paintings. Jack gave me a lot of direction and ideas and input, which has really helped me understand how to put light and shade into paintings better than I've ever known before.
And how about colour mixing? You've had to do some pretty quirky colour mixing with these two, haven't you?
I have, and that's been amazing. Great fun.
Fantastic. And will you be using the Blooms painting method to paint in future?
I will. It's I think the whole thing of doing, the base is just, it just makes so much sense. Yeah, doing it in stages.
Yeah.
Develops.
Great.
Yeah.
Well done. And Nat, thanks so much. It's been a pleasure to have you and your friend Kim. It was wonderful.
Yeah.
And I think, was it fun to do it with a friend?
It was. I was a bit worried about that because your focus is kind of, but no, it's great. Really good.
Well done. Congrats.
Thank you.